In January of 2024, my YouTube channel was monetized, and it's right here at the end of 2024. So I want to tell you how much YouTube paid me in the year 2024. Before we get started, I am not trying to brag about how much money the YouTube channel made me. I'm not trying to, I'm not trying to be braggadocious or anything like that. I hope that this video is helpful if you're curious about starting a YouTube channel, or you're just maybe wondering, like, how much do YouTubers actually make? These are the actual numbers that I'm about to share with you, my different income streams. I'm going to break all of that down for you here in just a second. But I just want you to know my heart and my intentions are not to be bragging or anything like that. In fact, it's the opposite. If I can make a YouTube channel that can make money and help provide for myself and my family, then you can too. And so I hope this video is actually an encouraging video to watch. Like I said, my channel was monetized not on January 1st. It was a little later, probably like the end of January of 2024, when I got into the YouTube Partner Program, which is basically the program that Google or YouTube uses to pay YouTubers. And you got to have at least 1,000 subscribers to be a member of this program, and you have to have 4,000 watch hours within a 1-year period. You got to hit both of those thresholds to get into the YouTube Partner Program. And that's happened for me in late January of 2024. So this isn't quite a year's worth of data, but it's my first calendar year being monetized on YouTube. The way YouTube makes money is that advertisers, like, I don't know, tons of different businesses that want to advertise on YouTube, pay YouTube money. But what makes YouTube valuable is the fact that you are spending time on YouTube watching videos from creators like me. And so when you watch a video and maybe you watch an ad before maybe even this video, YouTube pays me a small cut from the money they make from that ad. Hopefully that was not confusing. Hopefully I did a good job explaining that. That's basically how YouTube makes money, and that's how creators on YouTube make money, at least with the YouTube Partner Program. There's other ways YouTubers can make money, and I'll talk about that in a second. In 2024, I made from the YouTube Partner Program $3,777.99. Now this breaks down into a couple of different revenue streams on YouTube. Most of this is from watch ads. So that's basically what I just described, YouTube paying me for the ads that you're watching on my videos. If you're interested in how that breaks down between long form videos like what you're watching right now and YouTube Shorts, pretty much all of that money came from long form videos. YouTube Shorts, I think the whole year paid me $31.59. Basically nothing. I've had shorts that have multiple thousands of views, and they've paid me like 12 cents. And so I don't make a lot of money from posting shorts. When I post a short, it's just because I want to show you a quick tip in the shop out of the goodness of my heart. And so that's kind of the model behind how YouTube pays between long form and short form content. I also made $107.68 from YouTube premium subscriptions. Basically, when someone pays YouTube for a premium subscription, YouTube shares a small percentage of that with creators as well. And then finally, $26.60 I made from YouTube's affiliate program. Now, I'm really excited about this. You might be like, $26.60, that's your lowest amount that you made from YouTube. And that is true, but I just got into the YouTube affiliate program like 10 days ago, very recently. To be in the YouTube affiliate program, you have to have 10,000 subscribers, and that's a milestone that my channel just hit. So thank you for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, because I'd love to have you around. But what the YouTube affiliate program is YouTube can advertise products right within a video. And so maybe like in the description of this video, I'll leave some tools that I linked to a lot in my shop, just as an example, like my planer, Milwaukee pack out. But you can go down in the description and I'll have Milwaukee pack outs linked down there. I'll have a DeWalt planer. You can actually see the picture of it. And if someone purchases a planer, Milwaukee pack out, whatever tool I'm talking about, then YouTube will get a cut of that money because it was purchased on YouTube. And also the creator will get a cut of that money. I'm really excited about this just because, in my opinion, it's a win-win-win. It helps YouTube, it helps me, and it's probably the most convenient shopping experience for you, the consumer. And so I'm really excited about really leaning into that more in 2025. Before I talk about my second income stream, really quickly, if this video has been helpful for you, if you can just hit the like button, and also if you'd like to stick around for future videos, hit the subscribe button. That really helps me out. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, it's just a way to give back on YouTube, so I really appreciate it. All right. Now let's hop into my second income stream. So YouTube paid me about $3,700, but I made more money than just that in 2024 on YouTube or with my YouTube channel. There is a second income stream I have. It's my second largest income stream, and it's not to do with YouTube. It actually is to do with Amazon and linking my Amazon to my YouTube account. Let me explain how this works. Amazon has two ways, well, they have lots of ways, but two ways that I make money with Amazon, specifically when it relates to my YouTube channel, is I'm part of their associates program and I'm part of their influencers program. Let me talk about each program really quickly. The associates program is where I can create links to anything on Amazon, and if someone purchases that product using my link, I get a small kickback on that purchase. It's usually about 3 to 4% of the purchase price. What's amazing about this program is you don't have to have a YouTube channel to be a part of it. You don't really have to have any kind of presence on social media to be a part of it. And you definitely don't need to have the 1,000 subscriber requirements that is required for the YouTube partner program. So whenever you've watched one of my videos and maybe you scroll down in the description and you see links to Amazon products, if you purchase one of those products, I'm going to get a small kickback. So hopefully it's an amazing product that you get to buy. It's not any more cost to you, but it's a great way to help out me, the creator, and I really appreciate that. From the Amazon Associates program, I made $672.39 in 2024, which is not bad considering the fact I'm pretty much always going to put links in my description anyway. I'm also part of something called the Amazon Influencers program. Now, if you're ever going to look at a product on Amazon, you might see that there are video reviews or tutorials on that product. And these, a lot of times, are made by Amazon influencers, and I'm an Amazon influencer. A lot of times on the channel, you'll see me do tool reviews. For example, I've done reviews on that DeWalt's planer back there. I've done reviews on Milwaukee Packouts. And so I'm like, I already have these great videos, in my opinion, of these tool reviews. What if I also posted them on Amazon as an Amazon influencer? And then if someone watches that video, purchases the product, once again, I get a small kickback. I think it's like 5% for the Amazon influencer program. So I started this in August of this year, and that made me $1,082.64. When you add up the affiliate program and the associate program, I made $1,755.03 from the Amazon programs. When you add those two numbers together, you get my grand total of my top line revenue from YouTube in 2024, which was $5,533.02. Now, once again, this was an amazing year of growth. This was pretty much the first year that I made anything from my YouTube channel. And a couple of things I would say. One is YouTube is a ton of hard work. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you think you're going to get rich really quickly because you've posted 3 videos, I can pretty much guarantee you that's not going to be the case. I started this channel in 2020. I've been active on this channel since 2022. And this was the first year that I think I made a single dollar with YouTube. However, I think there is some proof of concept here that I've seen, at least with my channel, that, hey, if I'm consistent with it, if I keep making my videos a little bit better each upload, a little bit better, 1% better, then I can make money with this. And you can too. So whether your niche is woodworking or something else entirely, if you're considering starting a YouTube channel, my encouragement would be to go ahead and start. Your videos aren't going to be perfect, and you're probably not going to make money for a long time, but if you stick with it and stay consistent, it can pay off in the long run. Now, in this video, I've just been talking about how I make money on YouTube, only on YouTube. And so if you're interested in how to make money by selling woodworking products, I have 2 videos right here where I talk about that. I'd love to see you in one of those 2 videos.